So we make the usual incision, access without fluoroscopy. We connect a quad to the Navx system, and with the quad, it's going to give us the roadmap to subclavian, innominate, superior vena cava, and right atrium, as well as RV. And that's what we're going to use to guide our access. We'll show the screen now, the Navx screen. You'll see the catheter going in. Very small now, but you'll be able to see it if I turn the lights off, probably. Also, there you go, you can see it going down. If you're vena cava, then we'll use the electrograms to help us guide. Are we connected with the electrograms to, oh, not to the,
They're on the Navx.
okay, in the Navx, so that's fine. So you can see now, if you show the tracing in the Navx, Mike, you can see that the signal, the green signal is a V. Right, can you see it?
Yep.
In the Navx, right? Yeah, so that's the ventricle, right ventricle in both views. We're just going to get a little bit more geometry of the right ventricle. You can see an RAO projection. We're close to the apex and septum. We can come back and then get a geometry of the more proximal tricuspid annulus. And then we're back in the atrium there. You can see the atrial signals. Again, atrial fibrillation, the patient is in chronic fib. So this is the atrium all the way here. And then I go back to the superior vena cava. Back into the atrium. I can get, since I'm not doing an atrial lead, I don't have to get a lot of atrial anatomy. But for the ventricle, I have to. So I push forward, and you see now the lead is in the ventricle, and you can see it now. We're mapping the RVOT, going to the apex. And really afterwards, we can do an offline map with changing the colors of the structures so we can separate ventricle from atrium. But this is all ventricle. Now we're back in the atrium here. That's close to the tricuspid annulus, back in the ventricle, and that's the apex right there. So that's where we're going to want to place our RV lead. Thank you. This comes back out. You can turn it off, and then we'll show the lead going